Okay, this video will show you how to connect a BNC to the coaxial cable. So you need a cutter and you need one BNC connector and a coaxial cable. First you have to strip the coaxial cable. Either you can use a cutter or you can also use a blade. Okay, after you remove the sleeve, separate out the aluminum conductor part. Okay, and twist it. Twist it. The aluminum conductor will have a petroleum jelly, just wipe it with a cloth. Okay, now remove the sleeve of the copper conductor. There will be an aluminum foil surrounding the sleeve of the copper conductor. Just remove that as well. Okay, now you take the BNC, open it. So you need to just twist the the aluminum conductor properly and just cut it to the required length. Okay, so now you have to insert the cable into the BNC outer cover. Okay, now take the BNC and you can see the BNC has got this is the BNC inner part. Okay, here you have to connect the copper conductor and here you have to connect the aluminum conductor. Okay, loosen the screw. And just open the BNC conductor a little bit. Okay, the center part of the conductor should go here, the center part of the conductor. Okay, so after putting the center part of the conductor in the coaxial cable, just tighten the screw. Now trim the BNC so that the aluminum conductor is intact. Now close the BNC case. Okay, so this completes the connecting a BNC conductor to a coaxial cable. So you have to do at both ends of the coaxial cable. One end will go to the camera and the other end will go to the DVR.